In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make the realistic light flare in a photo. First, plus sign for the new layer. Upper side of the layer is like a background layer, and then going to the rectangular marquee tool, and now you can select the area where you want to flare the light, and then going to the gradient options, reset the gradient, and then the basic panel from here, and you can just take the white color, which is the opacity that is 100%, and then you'll get the other pole, which is the little bit of ash color, and then hit OK, and after that the opacity will be 0%, and then draw a line over there. Press the shift and hold it, okay, and then deselect controller command D, and then controller command T for the transform, right press, and going to the perspective. From here you can adjust the perspective according to the light, and then hit the tick button, and after that press controller command T. You can make it bigger. If you make it bigger, you have to adjust the perspective again from the perspective panel and according to the light over there, and then hit the tick button. And after that, going to the filter and going to the blur and Gaussian blur. The flare will adjust according to the light, and the value is 20 pt, and hit OK, and you will get the realistic light flare over there. Thank you so much. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications.